Hey everyone, before you buy Verizon 5G home internet, watch this. We break down setup, real world speed, and performance to see if it delivers what it promises. Verizon 5G home internet is a compelling, affordable alternative to cable and DSL, offering fast speeds, unlimited data, and simple contract free pricing. However, performance and reliability can vary significantly depending on your location and proximity to Verizon's 5G tower. Speed and performance of Verizon 5G home network plan 5G home price with mobile bundle $35 per month, standalone price $50 per month, download speed Mbps 85 to 300 N, upload speed 10 to 50, data cap unlimited, contract none, equipment fee $0, price guarantee 3 years, plan 5G home plus, price mobile with bundle $55 per month, standalone price $70 per month, download speed in Mbps 300 and 2000, upload speed 50 to 100 and data cap unlimited, contract none, equipment fee $0 and price guarantee 4 years. Advertised speeds 5G home up to 300 Mbps download, 20 Mbps upload, 5G home plus up to 1000 Mbps download and 75 Mbps upload. Real world speeds, most users report consistent download speed between 200 to 400 Mbps and uploads of 20 to 30 Mbps, especially when close to a 5G tower. Some users near ultra wideband towers have seen even higher speed, occasionally exceeding 1 Gbps. Reliability of Verizon 5G home network. Generally reliable for streaming, gaming, and video calls, but some users experience occasional discounts or need to reboot the gateway to restore service. Performance can fluctuate during network congestion as mobile users get priority over home internet customers. Upload speeds are good for cable like use but fall short of fiber, making it less ideal for heavy uploaders. Availability of Verizon 5G home network now available in over 900 cities with coverage focused around urban and suburban areas. Check your address on Verizon's website to confirm eligibility as coverage and speed can vary even within the same neighborhood. Pros and cons of Verizon 5G home internet. Pros: affordable, straightforward pricing with long term price guarantee, fast download speed often outpacing T Mobile 5G and satellite internet, unlimited data, no contract, and easy self installation. Valuable perks for Plus plan users. Cons: upload speed are lower than fiber and may not suit heavy uploaders. Performance and reliability can vary by location and signal strength. Occasional disconnects reported by some users, not a full substitute for fiber for demanding users. Bottom line: Verizon 5G home internet is a great value for most households, especially if you want to ditch cable and live in a strong 5G coverage area. It's best for streaming, gaming, and everyday use, but heavy uploaders or those needing rock solid reliability may prefer fiber. Always check your local coverage and consider your household needs before committing. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.